Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company. If you're new to our community, make sure you follow us here on this platform and all other social media platforms. Look for the logo. Go to our website, click the link in the description. Buy our digital course and ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, because it gives you the entire tools and knowledge to begin to build true wealth by focusing on the asset column, creating sales on autopilot using systems. And that's why today's topic and title is Unleashing Online Sales, Harnessing Native Advertising and Automated Systems. Today is February 4th, 2024, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flow and Assets. Remember this golden rule. Targeted marketing is when we find a group of people who wants a product and we put that product right in front of them so easily that they can grab, buy, and repeat again. And that's what we're doing here at Master Investor, is that we're building our sales that are coming in through smart marketing, because we have digital assets with systems that are doing the selling and telling for us to the right people, the people that actually need the product right now. Okay, and that's what we want to do. Put that product in front of the right customer, not someone that doesn't need the product. We want to give it to the people that actually need it right now, and they have their credit card in their hand and they're ready to buy from somebody. Okay, that's when we're going to come in to the native advertising channels and other methods that we're going to go through on this podcast today. In the dynamic world of digital marketing, native advertising has emerged as a powerful tool for seamlessly integrating promotional content into the online user experience. When combined with automated systems, native advertising becomes a potent catalyst for generating online sales on autopilot. In this article, we will explore the concept of native advertising, its effectiveness in driven online sales, and how automated systems can supercharge our sales efforts. So we said before that a system, a sound business is a system of systems, right? Because if the business that we are doing doesn't make money without us being there, there's not a true business. It's not yet a business, okay? It has to make money without us being in there. Whether it's a small sale that is making or a big sale, that transaction has to go from the time that the customer gets in the front door, shows interest from that digital store that we have, or whatever store it is. It could be a physical store. It has to be on autopilot. So if it's a car wash, it has to be on autopilot. If it's a restaurant that you're controlling, it has to be on autopilot. If it requires you to be there to make money and to run the business, then it's not yet a business. Something is missing. You need to get a CEO, you need to put people in place, etc. I believe that starting online can be much faster, because with digital assets, you don't have a lot of cost overhead. Any big expense is not required when you're starting a digital business, because the overhead cost is zero. You have a website that is being provided by the affiliate partner that we're going to do business with, where we're going to be sending leads to them, to their sales pages. We didn't pay for that sales page. They created it. So all we're doing is just finding the leads to send to these products. And we're going to do that through systems, native advertising, Facebook marketing. We have been doing that this entire month, right, of January, this past month. We talked about advertising. We talked about syndication. We talked about Facebook marketing. We did Facebook ads this whole week. We chose products on clickbank.com from a marketplace where anyone can choose products to advertise. We don't need to create or touch the product, and we can be positioned to create autopilot sales. Understanding native advertising. Native advertising blends in seamlessly with the surrounding content on a platform, making it less intrusive and more engaging for users. Unlike traditional display ads, which may disrupt the user experience. Native ads are designed to match the look, feel, and function of the platform on which they appear. This integration allows advertisers to reach their target audience in a non-disruptive manner, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversion. The power of native advertising in driving sales. Native advertising excels at capturing attention and driving user engagement, making it an effective strategy for generating online sales. Here's how native advertising can help boost our sales efforts. Number one, enhance user experience. By seamlessly integrating promotional content into the user experience, native ads feels less intrusive and more natural, leading to higher levels of engagement and interaction, meaning more conversions at the end of the day, because when we have more engagement in our ads and we have the right funnels, the right sequence of emails and videos, and the entire sales process is put together properly, then we're going to have more conversions and more engagement we have. Number two, targeted reach. Native advertising allows advertisers or wealthy entrepreneurs to target a specific audience segment based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring that our message reaches the right people at the right time. Number three, increase trust and credibility. Because native ads blend in with the surrounding content, they are perceived as more trustworthy and credible by users. This increased trust can lead to higher conversion rates and a more positive brand perception. Number four, improve performance. Studies have shown that native ads consistently outperform traditional display ads in terms of click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall campaign effectiveness. By leveraging the power of native advertising, advertisers and wealthy entrepreneurs can achieve better results and drive more sales, creating online sales on autopilot with automated systems. While native advertising can be highly effective in driving sales, harnessing the full potential of this strategy requires careful planning and execution. Automated systems offers a solution to streamline and optimize the sales process, allowing advertisers and wealthy entrepreneurs to generate online sales on autopilot. Here's how automated systems can supercharge our sales efforts. Number one, automated lead generation. Automated systems can capture leads and customer information through opt-in forms, landing pages, and lead magnets. By automating the lead generation process, wealthy entrepreneurs can build a database of prospects and nurture them through targeted email marketing campaigns, even through copywriting that we are explaining inside of our community. We don't even need to create these emails. We're using a campaign that is already proven to close leads. So we just copy the code of the campaign and we paste it on our campaign inside of our email autoresponder, and it populates the entire email campaign. And every lead that comes in from that capture page and ends up on that list, those emails will go out to them on autopilot for the purpose of closing that lead into a sale. Okay? Number two, personalized marketing automation. Automated systems enable wealthy entrepreneurs to deliver personalized marketing messages to their audience based on their preference, behaviors, and interactions. By segmenting their audience and delivering relevant content at the right time, wealthy entrepreneurs can increase engagement and drive conversions. Number three, e-commerce integration. Automated systems can seamlessly integrate with e-commerce platforms to automate the sales process from start to finish. From product recommendations and abandoned cart recovery emails to order fulfillment and customer support, automated systems can handle every aspect of the sales journey, freeing up time and resources for entrepreneurs. Number four, analytics and optimization. Automated systems provide valuable insights into campaign performance, allowing wealthy entrepreneurs to track Key metrics such as CTR, click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on investment, ROI. By analyzing these data points, wealthy entrepreneurs can identify trends, optimize our campaigns, and continuously improve our sales efforts over time. In conclusion, native advertising and automated systems offer a powerful combination for creating online sales on autopilot. By leveraging the seamless integration and engaging nature of native ads, wealthy entrepreneurs and master investors can capture attention, drive engagement, and ultimately drive sales. When paired with automated systems that streamline and optimize the sales process, wealthy entrepreneurs and master investors can achieve remarkable results with minimal manual intervention. Whether we are a small business looking to scale our online sales or seasoned wealthy entrepreneurs seeking to maximize our ROI, harnessing the power of native advertising and automated systems can propel our sales efforts to new heights of success. Native advertising is key when it comes to getting more sales on autopilot. So start applying the native advertising channels. There are many of them online. You can actually go to our YouTube channel. We did a live stream today where we show different sites where they offer native advertising, and it looks amazing, and it's super simple to create an ad. In our first campaign, I did it in less than 5 minutes in one of the websites. So feel free to go over to YouTube and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notifications, watch our last live stream, and take massive action. I appreciate your time for investing in your financial education today here with Master Investor. Let us know if you have any questions. Click the link in the description and start your journey of entrepreneurship and building true wealth here with us at Master Investor, the authentic brand of money, business, and investing. Stay tuned. We're here every single day giving you the good and bad news of money, the business principles at work in all economies. Let me know your feedback. I appreciate your time in business. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.